Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change hair color in Rec Room. Customizing your avatar is one of the most fun ways to express yourself in the game, and changing hair color is super easy. First of all, launch open the Rec Room application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and make sure that you are inside the menu button. To open up the menu button, go to the top left corner and tap on the wristwatch icon. This will now bring up the home section on the page in order to customize your hair. Now go ahead and tap on the customize button at the bottom in order to customize your hair color. On the next page, you will see this customization page from where you can go ahead and customize your avatar. Go ahead and click on the hair option at the top. You'll see hairstyles and facial hair options here. Go ahead and select the hairstyle you'd like to change to for your character. After choosing the hairstyle, if you want to change the hair color, click on modify right underneath the chosen hair. And then from there you can choose the pattern, base color and highlight. Go to base color from the top and change the hair color of your character by choosing the color palette. Some of the hair colors should be purchased by spending some funds. The amount that needs to be spent will be displayed right above the color palette. After selecting a color of your choice, you can now choose the highlight color if needed at the top. Select your highlight color if you want, and once you are done, you can then get back to the main menu, and that's how you easily change the hair color of your character. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.